Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Hotschedules app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is open up your web browser, click onto the search box and paste in the link that I left you in the description down below. It's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, all what you have to do is enter your username and password and then click onto the blue login button down here. However, if you have any questions or there's some ambiguity, you can see this option underneath that says questions about login in. So give it a click and you're gonna see this page pop up, and you can also notice that it has all the answers you might need to look for. It says if you have a new account, check your email for an invitation to create an account for your current job. If you haven't received it yet, please connect with your manager to get started. As a reminder, each company you work for will require a unique username. Or if you're logging in to an existing account, use the forgot username or password options if you have access to the email linked to your account. Enter your information for your account, your current account, and not a username from a previous job, for example, and your manager will be able to update the email if needed. And in case your account is inactive or suspended, the account with that username is not currently active, so ensure you're not using information from a previous job. Otherwise, contact your manager for further assistance. And if you still need help, you can visit this website or this link, which is Customer Success Portal. And for more information, that's all what you have to do. Now, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.